Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the charm tier list for Hollow Knight. And the first one is Wayward Compass, which you will get it anyways on like the first. So it's pretty good charm if you're new. So it is situational. It is going to be high B tier or low A tier. Low A tier. Why not? I'll just put it right there. Grubify's Elegy. Ooh, this is situational. It basically, at full mask, it will make a projectile. And if you have Fury of the Fallen, we all know that it will do. The projectile will actually do half of the nail damage. So, yeah. Fury of the Fallen, 75% more, so that's good. So it will be doing around the nail damage. So also Grub Song, also situational. So it is when you take damage you will get Zone, Soul, and Grubify's Elegy is actually buffing that soul amount. Man, this charm is good for first playthroughs. Yeah. Near that, maybe Unbreakable Heart. Man. Oh yeah, first S tier, second S tier, third S tier, fourth S tier, first F. We all know. These are all situational charms. Yeah, these. This is not good. See, when you take damage, you will be like, when there's an enemy nearby, thorns will come out of you, which is not good, I would say. Man, not good, not good. OP. OP. F. Absolute F. RNG, of course. Where is RNG tier? Right here. And the only reason why I put Grimchild on C tier is the lore. Viva song also C. Oh my god. Don't say. It's worse than Heavy Blue. You all know this F tiers and C tiers. And the S tiers, of course. And these three. Quick focus, man, increases focus speed. B tier. This thing costs insane. C tier. Sportium, man, I don't think it's good. Yes, the life blades. Good. High blade is good, so it's situational tier, but better. Sharp Shadow is also situational. Shape of Fun, not that good, but it's mid-range. Veil Master's Glory, it's one note, so maybe good. Yeah, I will put like low B tier. Dream Wielder, low B tier. F. Man, this increases immune frames or iframes. The only reason why I put it in like mid C tier is because of the low stuff, and also this thing is S tier if I want. Low S tier. Soul Catcher. Low A tier. Soul Eater. Lower A tier. Dash Master might be good, so high A tier. Or maybe very low S tier. Sprint Master, not that good. Oh yeah, Pale Coat, I forgot about to mention. King's Honor is basically Defender Crest, but it will be, the area will be more. Also, it will spread. It has a chance of spreading and it does 2 damage instead of 1. So, it's good actually. Mark of Purity. Very good. good than quick slash. Oh my god, S tier stuff. S tier. This has to be lowest tier or high A tier. Yeah, high A tier. So yeah guys, this is all just personal preference. Actually, let me put it right here. Yeah. So as you can see, there are lots in S tier because Pelcott charms are OP. The only reason why is Vessel, let's put A tier. Also, you got to your brother. Okay. So, stop it. Why did I put it here? It's not good, man. So, I will be congratulating. Actually, yes, now it's better. I am congratulating for the high every tier. So starting at high F tier, Defender's Crest won the F tier. Wow, what a surprise. C tier, it's Stalwart Shell. On B tier, it's Grubsong, also Grubophile's Elegy. A tier is Vessel's Lamet. S tier, everybody knows this, Fluke Nest. Yeah, so that is it. Bye bye. Okay, let me pause.